Shakha. Welcoming to my YouTube channel, A Source of Success, with a great thought. And today I am came with beautiful hacks, which is very much effective to our life to achieve our goals. So there are total 10 hacks are there, but I am explaining in this video total 5, and the next 5 are in my next video because these are all are important, and I want to make this video short. So Kim, I just want to say you that just do watch this video because you are going to very much effective and very much benefited by watching this video. So let's see. So the first hack is how you never worry again. So okay, I just want to remember one thing, that these hacks are I got from the Impact Theory channel, which I explaining in my previous video. So this is the channel, YouTube channel is by anchoring by Tom Bilyeu, and he just invited some very much effective people and successful people to his studio and watch the video, and all those videos are very much effective, and I got all the learnings, and all got all the important things from that video. So if you really want to watch the original video, so I just paste the link in my description box. So do watch the original video if you want. So let's see. Okay, so the first hack is how to never worry again. So as we know, this is the life is a kind of journey, and there are so many difficulties in our life. So in our difficulties part, what we have, we all have the same thing. We got worry so easily, and this is natural, as I say, because it happens with all. So in that point, what we have to do? So when any kind of situation arises, they are having so many difficulties, like any kind of difficulties if they are in that situation. The first thing we take is so much tensions at that particular time. So we suddenly take tensions, and because of tensions we are not able to solve that problem on that particular point. So that is a major problem which is happen with the maximum people, because it is natural thing. So in that particular situation, what we have to do, just we have to do like a very interesting things, like a very interesting thing, like it is a very much you can say very much crazy, but it is really effective. So what we have to do, we count the number series from 5 to 1 in backward direction, like 5 4 3 2 1. Just applying by this, our mind got stable, and we can able to think properly, and we can able to solve the problem at that particular time. So it is a effective way to control your mind in a worry situation. So this is a first one hack which I learned from that video. So there is a what is that 5-second rule. So in that 5-second rule, you have to remember the particular thing, 5 4 3 2 1. By this, you just got the point and get your mind in stable situation, and make sure all this problem and focus on the solution, not the problem. So next hack which I just learned from that video is how to set a better goal. So as we are the generation with a very much perspective of what we can say, that very much effective to our life to become a goal set situation. So for that goal set situation, what we have to do, we so there are so many videos are there, really I just also watched that there are so many things to set up your goals, how to set up your goals, how to write your goals, but this the trick is, guys, this is the very much effective tip. So take a A4 size paper and make 3 columns in that paper. So in the first column, what you have to write, that what are your experiences, and what you have to experience. All the experience are written in a very sequence in that column, like what you want to where you want to travel, or what are the very interesting places you want to go, like that. You want to experience what you are already experienced, like all these things are written in that column. In the second column you have to write like what are the growths, what goals, what the experience you want to grow in your life. So all the growth column, points are written in the growth column. And the third part is the very much effective part. By experiencing and by growing your experience, what you want to give back to the world. So this is the world where everyone knows that giving back is a very much effective way to make yourself happy. So many legends are there, they always advises you to giving back to the world, because you are you will be happy when you are giving some happiness to others. So this is the second hack, that how to set better goals. So I am also preparing the columns and also writing all these things particularly after watching this video, and I just want to know that this is really much effective, because we are also in the part of life where we don't think so much. So after doing these things, we are going to our we are going back and think that what are our experiences, what the things are we want to grow in our life. So this is the second thing which I just learned from that video. And the third thing which I learned from that video is hack number 3, how to master in self-awareness. So self-awareness is a really important thing, because many of us, we are not knowing ourselves, we are not we have not that kind of awareness inside us. So for that, what the things we have to do, like we have to write all the positive and negative statements about ourselves in a piece of paper. So in that way you are able to knowing yourself better in a better way. So all the peoples in your surroundings, what they are just saying about you in a negative way, in a positive way, write all these things in a paper. After written all these things, what you have to do, if you think some of these points are negative and you have to improve on that thing, so in that particular point you just go all those points and do work on it. After working on it, you become a very great person in your life, and after this you are also knowing yourself very effectively, which you are not doing in this 20 years of life or 25 years of life. So this is the hack 3 which I was already told you. And the hack number 4, how to balance your life. So if everyone in their life are having a balanced diet. For this balance concept, what you have to do, you are questioning yourself that are you happy with your life? If yes, then well and done. If no, so in that situation, when the answer is no, what you have to do, you just stop at the situation. The way you are taking, the way you are living your life, just change that pattern, just change that technique which you are helping towards your life to achieving goals. Change all the tricks you want. After changing, you got all those real life experiences, what you are get mistaken, or what are your mistakes in the past. So for this, what are legends told in their video, that for this kind of thing we have to spend some time in a cool calm atmosphere and think about us, that what are the things which makes us happy in our life, and the thing which is just we want to like we want to grow in our life which makes us happy. For this, what we have to do, this is the way we can able to happy in our life, and we can balance our life. So this is the hack number 4. And hack number 5 is, hack number 5 is like how to taste the impossible. For tasting the impossibility, what we have to do, we have to questioning ourselves at least 17 questions. Very simple 17 question you have to question yourself to improve your thinking power and make it impossible to possible way. Very general questions like about your daily life, related to your daily life, like what in that episode what the guest team was told, like if there is a employee in our organization and he have to work 8 hours on a day, and he just told his boss like he want to work 2 hours. So in that situation, what the boss will say to you, is he scold you, is he rejected from that organization? So these are the silly 17 questions related to your life, asking questioning yourself by improving your thinking power, by making impossible things to the possible way. So these are the 5 things, 5 hacks which are useful to your life, and make the I just assure these things are really happening or really works, because by these things the peoples, the legends are born, and these making this, applying these things in their life, they became successful, they achieve their goals. So I just hope all these points are clear, and the next 5 hacks will coming very soon. So stay tuned with me, and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Stay blessed and all be safe at your home. Thank you.